Sound were made up of quite a unique environment and surroundings in the rocks. Now this part of the fjord is, I must say, my favourite part, as they're all different colours and shapes in the rock face. Now the sources of rocks we get down here are metamorphic and igneous rocks. The majority making up is gabbro, diorite, granite and gneiss. And the minerals we can find here are also bits and pieces such as banded quartz. Generally found close to banded quartz are specks of gold. When they were metamorphosized together, they were about the same weight category. So they were best friends and they stuck around together. We have lichen, that's a black coloured rock. Iron ore, or iron, which is a rusty coloured rock, generally found more below down by the water lines. And we have copper, so just up ahead on our left. You'll see a massive green stripe of copper, and that's all natural. That wasn't spray painted on there for the cruise today. That's how it is. We have World Heritage status and we are a national park. So everything down here that you can see is all going to be protected for quite some time. Although mining would be a booming industry here, we have large quantities of the metamorphic and igneous rocks that give it the marble effect, how it's shoved up on the sea floor, and with all the minerals as well. But it's just the harsh terrain and the rough weather conditions that make it quite hard, especially because we are World Heritage status now on.